morning. I'm Avishka Thadani, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, we have Reddit faces widespread outrage, services restored after 45 minutes. Google Gemini AI update, new image and customization features. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra rumored to be thin and lighter than competitor. Google delays Android 15 release. Pixel 9 phone launches with older OS. Apple unveils new AI photo editing tool Cleanup, exclusive to iPhone 15 Pro model. X introduces new video conferencing tool to compete with major platforms. AI revolutionizing audit and accounting, major firms lead the way. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you a question which is world's first successful electronic computer? The answer is ENIAC. It's time for our daily tech news question. Here's today's question. What does OS computer abbreviation usually means? Think you know the answer? We want to hear it from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We'll reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you've got it right. Reddit users worldwide experienced a 45-minute outrage, receiving a server error, try again later message. The problem began at around 4:16 p.m. with Reddit's status page noting degraded performance. The issue was acknowledged by Reddit's team at 5:45 p.m. who later confirmed that it has been fixed and they have applied. They were monitoring the situation. This incident mirrors a similar problem for April when Reddit went offline due to backend issues. In a statement, Reddit explained that an update had unintentionally affected platform stability, but the problem has now been resolved. Down Detector reported nearly 153,000 outrages in the US at 4:09 p.m. Additionally, Reddit is ticketing AI bot issues and is working with OpenAI to find solutions. The company recently went public with a valuation of $6.5 billion. Google is updating its Gemini AI assistant with new image generation and customization tools. Gemini, which started as Bard, is a chatbot and can now write text, code, and solve math problems and more. The new update introduces Imagen 3, an advanced image generation model that creates realistic images and can follow detailed instructions. If the images aren't perfect, users can request adjustments. Imagen 3 uses a method that makes image processing more efficient. Saving on hardware cost, Google is also bringing back the feature for generating images for people, which was paused after the improvements. This feature now includes safeguard to prevent harmful content. Additionally, Google is launching Gems, which lets users customize Gemini to perform specific tasks in a preferred manner. Pre-made Gems are available for tasks like coding, help, and writing tips. Rumors suggest that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a new design with more rounded corners, making it more comfortable to hold. The latest leak indicates that the flagship smartphone will be thinner and lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be no more than 8.5mm thick and weigh 220 gram or less, compared to Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is 8.5mm thick and weighs 221 grams. The S24 Ultra, which is 8.6mm thick and weighs 223 grams. According to the leakster Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will be thinner and lighter than other upcoming Ultra models, such as the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Vivo X200 Ultra. The S25 Ultra's slim profile and minimum bezels could make it a standout option in the market. Moving ahead, we have Google's new Pixel 9 series phones, which have been launched earlier this month. Features advanced computational photography but run on the outdated Android 14 OS. This marks the first time Google has not introduced the latest Android version alongside of its new Pixel phones. Rumors suggested Android 15 would be released by late August or early September, but reports now indicate a delay until mid-October due to ongoing stability issues, according to Android Authority. Google plans to release the Android 15 source code next week, allowing other manufacturers to test and prepare their devices for this update. Simultaneously, Android 15 is expected to enhance user privacy and boost performance and improve photography features. It will also support satellite messaging and improve NFC payments. Meanwhile, Pixel phones will receive quarterly updates with exclusive features. Apple, which has launched a new AI-powered photo editing tool called Cleanup, designed to remove unwanted objects from images. It is similar to Google's Magic Editor Cleanup, which is available on iOS 18.1 developer beta, but currently only for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This feature is not accessible on other iPhones running iOS 18 beta 8. Though this update does include AI-generated summaries from various apps. Cleanup is integrated into the Photos app and uses smart detection to automatically remove with a single click. It employs a technique akin to generative fill to seamlessly edit photos. It remains unclear if Cleanup will be extended to other iPhone models with the official release of iOS 18.1. This update comes ahead of Apple's It's Glow Time event, where new products are expected to be announced. Elon Musk's social media platform X, which was formerly Twitter, is set to enter the video conferencing market, aiming to rival Zoom, Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. Ex-employee Chris Park recently revealed that the company has held its first internal conference using the new tool, receiving positive feedback. Upcoming features are expected to include more options to pin speakers and better notification for participant activity. Elon Musk responded to Park's post with a fire emoji but has not officially confirmed the tool. App researcher P4Mule shared that users will soon be able to create and schedule meetings directly from iOS app. Another researcher, Nima Outage, indicated that the tool might allow hosts to set unique codes for meeting access. X's new feature could integrate functionalities from existing platforms, enhancing live video streaming and conference management. As artificial intelligence reshapes various industries, audit and accounting are not left behind. A recent report reveals that while 30% of tax and accounting firms are now considering AI tools, nearly half are hesitant to adopt them. Leading the charge, Ernst & Young has integrated AI into their audit services, using advanced tools to quickly and accurately review contracts and documents. KPMG has also adopted AI, and its KPMG Ignite platform, which enhances data analysis, provides predictive insights and offers strategic guidance. Similarly, channel-based startup Hero Accounting uses AI to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry from invoices and bank statements. This approach reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and delivers up-to-date financial records, improving efficiency and client satisfaction. That is all. This is Avishka Sadani signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.